Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Clearmounts phone mount for the Audi A3, S3, and RS3. They make phone mounts for, I'm pretty sure, all Audi models, but this is specifically for the A3, S3, and RS3. A shout out to Carl at Clearmounts. I reached out to him via email and he got back to me within a couple minutes. His customer service is on point. I reached out to him telling him that I was super interested in his products, and he sent me 2 samples to try out, so shout out to him. So I'm gonna do a honest review about the products and let you guys know how this is. So let's get started. So he sent me 2 different versions of the Clearmount phone mount. So one is, ooh, that's a strong magnet. One is a fixed phone mount, so this does not move, it's stationary. And the other one comes with 2 adjustable phone mounts. So this is stationary just like this one, but for this one you can attach the back of the head onto this, and then so that way you can pivot your phone whatever direction you want. And this is like a phone grip, so you don't need the magnets, but you can pretty much attach this head to that and have a bunch of adjustability for your phone. Maybe you have a guest in the car that's going to use their navigation, that way they don't need a magnet on their phone, they could just throw that grip on and then you're good to go. So let's check both of these out. So first we'll start off with the stationary one. And first things first, this is a strong magnet. I've used other phone mounts before and I could tell you this is, you can hear that, it requires some good pressure to take this off. 3M tape. Comes with 2 different mounts. You have a nice Clearmount logo. So you stick this on to your phone case, I believe, and then this could go onto your phone. So 3M double-sided tape, which is very good, so you have strong adhesive that won't fall off your phone or your phone case. So it comes with that. And let's try this out. Yeah, so when you're taking corners, accelerating hard, your phone is not going to fly off this. That is one thing I noticed very well, is that the magnet is super strong. The packaging, strong magnetic phone mount, that's right. Air vent ring, so this installs onto your air vents, so it's like an OEM finished look. And then you have your 2 different magnetic phone mounts. Okay, so it comes with instructions. So remove center air vents by pulling slowly, so I guess the air vent just pops out. Step 1. And then you insert the air vent into your clear mount until flush. Insert both air vents back in. Place mount. So super simple, 4 steps. Doesn't need any tools. And then it shows you the different available accessories. Swivel, low profile, cradle, and then how you can use it. Okay. Well, there you have it. Super simple, guys. Oh wow. This is a super nice material. It's like aero grade aluminum with the texturized black finish. Oh, this is beautiful. I believe this is $40 and this is totally worth the money. The quality of this is superb. Yeah, this is very strong. It looks very sleek. It'll blend in with the black interior very well. Awesome. Very nice, very nice. So I have an iPhone and I wasn't sure how I was going to use this mount, because usually people don't have a pop socket, so they could put the adhesive on the back of this and it'll stick no problem. But since I have a pop socket, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna give it some thought to see what I can do. A friend of mine just broke my pop socket, so it's kind of broken, so I might just take it off and that would be a simple solution. But I'm assuming a lot of people have pop sockets, so this might be a problem that many of you may have to face. So let me try to think of something and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so on to mount number 2. Comes with your nice sturdy magnets, so 2 magnets just like the other one. One for your phone case, one for your phone, if you ever need to switch between the two. So we have the same packaging here, same materials. So let's try to give this one an open. Okay, so I think you need a... So that comes out. So this is the phone cradle. This is the stationary mount. Same, great quality, textured black with the ball mount on it. So it just clips right in. So your phone will be like this, and you can swivel it around, face the driver, face the passenger, move it around. Here's the phone cradle. So this opens and closes. And here are the two products side by side. So it'll be interesting to compare the two, because this one is stationary and it's a lot more sunken in, and this one sticks out a lot more but has adjustability. So let's go install these bad boys, give it a try. So in order to be able to use my pop socket still, I use the bigger magnetic mount and just put it on the upper portion of my phone. So when I mount it right here, it won't get in the way of the screen at all, and it'll block my hazard button, but I never use that, and if I really need to, I could just take the phone off. So hopefully this will work, and let's install the first mount. So usually I keep my phone right here, but I don't like it here because it takes up one of my two cup holders. And usually I'll keep my key here, or like an air freshener, or like if I have a drink, it just takes up a lot of space. So I would prefer, if nothing was here, keep it nice and clean looking. I like the free open space. So if I'm able to keep my phone up here, then that utilizes and lets all the space to be open and free and keep it nice and clean. So let's see how simple this installation actually is. This is my first time trying it. I'm not editing the video or anything. So what the instructions say is you just gotta pop out these vents. So you want to be able to pop the vents out. Okay, that was pretty simple. You definitely need nails, but there we go. So the first one's out, so I'm just gonna keep this right here while I take the other side out. So I'm just digging in one side, trying to create some space, go to the bottom corner. And I'm being somewhat gentle but rough so I don't break anything. So this one's out too. So let me get the clear mount case. So here we have it, and it's gonna go right behind. So this is the stationary one. It doesn't move, it doesn't switch angles, so it's perfectly centered. So that's how it looks. Looks very OEM. And then if I add the phone mount, that's how it looks. And it's definitely not in the way of the screen. It's in the way of the buttons, but that's fine because I never use my hazards, and the parking sensor is the automatic button, so I never have to reach that. And if I ever did, pull it off and then hit the buttons. And this is nice and convenient. It doesn't get away of the vents. I could still use everything directionally. And it has a good, strong connection, so if I hit bumps and stuff, it's not gonna fly off. I could tell if I take corners, it's not gonna fly off either because it's still pretty grippy. So here's what it looks like from the driver's standpoint. It literally just goes straight forward. Let's turn the MMI on. So not in the way at all. Nice and clear. So let's see how the adjustable one compares. So now I'm gonna uninstall this one and put on the adjustable one. So same thing. It comes off easier because there's more space. Okay, so they're both out. There we go. And then now let's install the other one. So here's the stationary one. Super solid. So about to take a corner. Took that corner going 25. So not too crazy fast, but I'm in a residential neighborhood. And it held up pretty well. Super fixed in place, not moving around. I like it. Alright guys, so it's been about 6 months. When I first recorded the video, I had the flat mount on, and when I tried doing this one, if you guys remember, I didn't know how to put this ball on, so I thought it just clipped on and it would swivel like this, but I talked to Carl at Clearmount, and he told me that this bracket or this little module is supposed to go on here, and then you clip it on and then you tighten it. So that makes a lot more sense. And it's been about 6 months since I've had the flat mount on, and the only thing I don't like is it stays like this. So I don't have room to, like, say if I want to do something that I'm not supposed to be doing while I'm driving. It's flat like this, so it's kind of inconvenient, but with this swivel mount, I should be able to have it face towards me. So with the iPhone Face ID, I can just swipe up and then it'll kind of recognize me without me having to tilt my head over here and then having it to recognize. So let's throw the swivel mount on. So you get this clip that it comes with, and it's gonna go into here, and this is gonna kind of tighten on. So pop that in and then tighten it. And then once you get it on, you can tighten it. So you can kind of have it face wherever you want. So you have a passenger towards you. So now, as you can tell, it's an angle towards the driver. Or I can have an angle towards the passenger. Just whatever you'd like. It's a nice, convenient angle now. So I'll keep this on. Probably gonna rock this for a while. Yeah guys, Clearmounts, definitely the best solution for putting your phone in your Audi A3 or whatever application they have. I've had many vehicles with many different phone mounts, and this is definitely the best one I've ever had. This OEM look is just, it's a great look. It blends in, like, it doesn't look aftermarket. It doesn't have a tacky thing blocking my air vent or something that just like leaves a residue on my dashboard that just protrudes out. So this is a very clean, flush look. It's very strong, so the magnet is super stable. For anyone interested, buy one. We'll give you our coupon code in the link below. And if you have one of these vehicles, I 100% recommend you buy one of these mods, because this is easily the best mod that we ever bought. So thanks again for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that like button, guys. Thanks once again.